Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is February the 16th and I'm using my new PIP SNAGER trading system. Remember, it's the one that uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top here as opposed to the Japanese candlesticks. This is great for traders who struggle trying to figure out about the Japanese candlesticks. Now my other systems, I put the HA candles, Heikin-Ashi, down here at the bottom in the form of these bars. Now, before we get into these trades, I want to point out how great this TZ indicator is. This goal line, I call it the TZ, short for trigger zone indicator. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Great for traders who love to scalp the market on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now I call that the flow of the market, the up and down cycles. Now every morning about 6 a.m. I'm in front of the computer, like where this line is. Takes me up to an hour to put my daily trade plan together. And on my daily trade plan, it was saying to actually sell the Euro Aussie this morning. There's the arrow. So here we go. Let's see where I got in at. Took the trade here right around 6. Most of these trades were around 6, 7:30. And one of them, I was just jumping in for a few ticks as it was doing another cycle on this Nasdaq. I didn't trade very much today as I had other commitments and I was busy taking care of a few things. So on this Euro Aussie, I took the trade here, closing out the trade over here, looks like with about 17 pips, and those 17 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $1,292. Okay, moving on to the pound dollar. Let's run a check on this trade. Arrow, there was a slight pullback here before it actually took off in the direction of the higher time frames. Let's see where I got in at. There was that one more cycle. Remember, the market's very random. Doesn't mean it could have just as easily gone straight up from here, but as the market does that, it does another cycle. It's very random. But I was going in the direction of the higher time frames. I was 95% sure of that. And as you can see, it still turned into a winner, locking in 17 pips. Now on the pound dollar, the dollar's on USD's on the right hand side. So it pays $10 a pip times 17 times 10 lots. That's why you see it paid out $1,700. Moving along to the Nasdaq. Wish I grabbed the big move down, but I didn't see it as I was very busy. Here it is right here, this move going down. Now the trade plan had mixed signals, which means it could either go up or down. But once you have like either the buy signals and or the sell signals, you can definitely take the trade. So let's see where I got in this Nasdaq. Drag and drop this up. Let's see now. Everything's screaming here. The AO is red. TZ is working its way down. Now, when I saw this hook around, I knew that it was more than likely gonna test this area of support, which it did. And I didn't having too many distractions around the house, to be honest with you. I should have just put in my target right here, but I didn't. I only put it in after. But anyhow, I still locked in. Looks like 16. Let's see, should be 17, because 17 times you remove the last 2 digits, so it should be 17 times 2 will be 34 times 10 lots. So it has to be 17, and those 17 ticks paid out $3,400. Moving on to the last trade. This was the biggest mover that I traded today. And let's run a check on it. Crude oil. There's the arrow, higher time frames, the daily trade plan. Everything suggesting to buy along with the AO here. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Too many things saying to buy. So that's exactly what I did do. I bought it right at this cursor, knowing that it can come back to the goal line. Not a big deal. And I closed it out again, just being happy. Should be 127 actually. Right there. 127 times 10 times 10 lots. And that's exactly why you see 12,000. Should be 126 actually. $12,600. Let's run a check on that again. Should be 126, which is right there. 126 ticks, paying out $12,600. So another good day of trading. I didn't quite get my 200 pips and ticks. I was close. Ended up with 177 pips and ticks. And those 177 pips paid $18,992. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my PIP SNAGER system, I suggest you get your hands on it along with the daily trade plan. You must have some kind of a plan, because if you're not going in the direction of the higher time frames, that is probably the very good reason why you are losing. If you want some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this PIP SNAGER write-up. My system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market with the help of this, what I nickname as a magic indicator. As you can see, could have sold this move down, to be honest with you, anywhere from this point right about here, and I could have added some more pips to my bank account. Very, very excellent indicator that I highly recommend you get your hands on it. Now my PIP SNAGER system has about 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Included are a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff with a lot of training and education that should help you to succeed at trading the markets. And by the way, the PIP SNAGER will work on anything that your MT4 platform offers you. So plenty of things that you can trade. All futures, options, stocks, Forex, the list goes on. Anything that your MT4 platform, your broker, offers. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, and I do teach a lot of ways, and the more ways that you learn, the better you'll become as a trader. And that's why I included 50 training videos. Each one is about 20 minutes long. Now you can put the video on pause, read everything here. If you have any questions at all, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And about 95% of the time I'll actually answer the phone unless I'm busy or preoccupied or talking to a trader. Anyhow, if you don't want to call me, that's fine, as you might live too far away. Simple, all you got to do is send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype. Again, simple, I made it for you. Just click on this link and we'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. And keep in mind that there will be no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, should be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.